Hello YouTubers, and today we are going to install the 3D ghost lights on our Audi A6. So I've got this special package today. I'm really excited, and I'm gonna be installing this. It's a kind of a follow-up which I did for my VW Passat, and I'm going to be installing this one onto it. So it's going to be a brief package unboxing. So basically it's got the LED in them, so it's supposed to be brighter than the normal projection lights, and we're going to test them out, and should be straightforward plug and play. So let's look at it. So here's the package. It comes with the wires if you need them, otherwise it's just a normal plug and play in there. So let's get started. So here we got my front door panel. It's a driver's side, so you need to make sure first that you've got that. If not, then you can watch another video that I'm gonna put in a link. The installation is straightforward. All you need to do is just use a flat screwdriver, and with the help of that you can just pry in and open it. And then you got these two clips on the sides that you just need to undo it, and the light should come out. So literally all we are doing here, we're gonna just take the lights out and put the other light back in, and just make sure that it's aligned properly, and then we've got a nice view down there. So here I've got this old one out, and now I'm gonna put this new one. It just literally clips on, and as you can see, I can see that the light is turned on, so I'm just gonna try and put that in. So there we go, the light is on and it's working. All you need to do is just check it. I'm gonna show you from this angle. So the Audi, even though that it looks a bit flipped, I'm gonna do that later on, but here we got the final version of it, and this is a very lit environment, and as you can see, you can clearly see this logo and Audi sign. So from the passenger side here, there you can see it's nicely lit up even in the very bright environment. So I hope you like this one, guys, and please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot, and see you in another video. Bye bye.